Hello friends, Jason here for TheChartGuys taking a look at silver. Looks like we had a very weak bear break of our inside bar. When you break a support and you don't have volume, you don't have conviction, that is an indication that prices are going to move in the opposite direction of the break. You want to see the market agreeing with the break. You want to see big volume coming in right away, showing that conviction. And when that does not happen, that's what we call, well, with respect to inside bars, we call that a rev strat. And that's exactly what has happened here. Bear break, no volume, and then volume pours on in the opposite direction. Either way, big breakout of the inside bar, and looks like we have daily resistance at 1787 and still 1795 that we're going to be watching for. We're going to be looking for, at the minimum, some 15-minute and hourly consolidation. We'll get some more information on that as we zoom in. But let's take a look actually at the 5-minute time frame, because I want to look and talk about that bear break. So here we are. We get a big break. We have a violent drop and then almost an immediate V-shaped recovery. Not even V-shaped because it was so quick on the 5-minute time frame. We resume this 50-minute downtrend. And then as we get into our sub 1750 level again, the volume is just non-existent. We establish a higher low over 1748, and then we just take off in the other direction. Bulls start buying it up, and we don't even change the trend. We just keep going. And in fact, it looks like the 5-minute trend has more or less remained intact up until the 1772s. So now we're in this equilibrium up here. But what a magnificent drop. Absolutely beautiful rev strat. And on the hourly time frame, how is our RSI? We have overbought conditions still cooling off. Bulls still showing a lot of interest, grinding that RSI at 70, not willing to give up much territory at all. 1784, the high of this pullback, or I should say breakout before consolidation, is going to be an important resistance level for us. And then 1787 right after that. If we consolidate long enough, it's likely that we will just break through both of those in the same attempt. 4-hour time frame, RSI is 65. I would like us to see a higher low established over top of our bear break low of 1748. We've got a lot of room to work with here. In fact, hourly bulls can come all the way down to 1748, stay above that level, and still be looking good in the long term. However, much like gold right now, we can just simply stay at this level, and the longer we stay here, the more conviction and strength that shows for the bulls. I'm not comfortable calling any of these quick drops hourly higher lows quite yet. I want to see something more concrete established and allow us to cool off that RSI a little bit better. 15-minute time frame, there's a nice 15-minute equilibrium. Managed to get a breakout to the bull side, but did not get over top of 1783. That's a second attempt, and that looks to be a double top right now. However, we are in an ascending triangle type formation, which means we need to keep an eye on our trend line, and I would draw that something like this, just watching for these higher lows to maintain themselves. And the moment we break under that and change our 515 hourly higher low, higher high pattern, that would be the initial kickoff for that consolidation that we need to see on the hourly and the 4-hour time frame. A lot has happened today. Pretty exciting. I hope you managed to get some profitable opportunities out of it. And we'll keep our eyes on silver as always. Have a fantastic day. Good luck to you.